Ever wondered what a simple spoonful of coconut oil can do for your health? We're talking about boosting your energy, supporting your weight loss goals, and even giving your brain a boost. This tropical treasure is packed with surprising health perks. We're diving deep into the science behind coconut oil and why it deserves a spot in your pantry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to incorporate coconut oil into your daily routine and experience all the incredible benefits for yourself. Stay tuned. Let's talk energy. Unlike the long-chain fatty acids found in most fats, coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides or MCTs. Think of MCTs like readily available fuel for your body and brain. They're absorbed quickly and used immediately for energy, so you can power through your day without hitting that dreaded afternoon slump. MCTs go straight to your liver, where they're converted into ketones, an alternative energy source, especially for your brain. Coconut oil provides sustained energy that keeps you going strong all day long. If you're watching your weight, listen up. Coconut oil can be your new secret weapon. MCTs not only provide quick energy but can also help curb those pesky cravings. Studies have shown that MCTs can increase feelings of fullness and reduce overall calorie intake. Coconut oil can also help fire up your metabolism by increasing thermogenesis, the process of your body burning calories to produce heat. Adding a spoonful of coconut oil to your diet can help you feel fuller for longer, boost your metabolism, and support your weight loss goals. Gut health is crucial for overall well-being, and coconut oil can play a key role in keeping your digestive system running smoothly. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, which has been shown to fight off harmful bacteria and fungi in the gut. This helps keep your gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria that live in your digestive tract, in balance. A healthy balance of gut bacteria is essential for optimal digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. If you're struggling with digestive issues, incorporating coconut oil into your diet can be a game changer. Unlocking radiant skin. Coconut oil's beauty secret. We all want healthy, glowing skin. Coconut oil isn't just good for your insides, it does wonders for your skin too. It's naturally moisturizing and loaded with antioxidants. Coconut oil penetrates deeply into the skin, providing long-lasting hydration and reducing moisture loss. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe irritation, redness, and even acne. Whether you're dealing with dryness or breakouts, coconut oil can help you achieve that healthy, radiant glow you've always wanted. Boost your defenses. Coconut oil for a strong immune system. It's essential to have a strong immune system. Coconut oil can lend a helping hand. Lauric acid, the powerful antimicrobial, doesn't just fight off bad bacteria in your gut, it also packs a punch against viruses and other pathogens. Your body converts lauric acid into monolaurin, another powerful antimicrobial and antiviral agent. By incorporating coconut oil into your diet, you're giving your immune system a fighting chance against those nasty bugs. A happy heart. Coconut oil for cardiovascular health. Let's talk about heart health. While there are many misconceptions about coconut oil and cholesterol, studies have shown that it can actually be beneficial for your heart. Coconut oil can raise HDL cholesterol, often referred to as good cholesterol, which helps prevent cholesterol buildup in your arteries. Consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet, coconut oil can contribute to a healthy heart. Want to sharpen your memory and boost your brain power? Coconut oil might just be the answer. MCTs provide a readily available energy source for your brain. Some studies suggest that MCTs can improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance, particularly in individuals experiencing age-related cognitive decline. If you're looking for a natural way to support your brain health and keep your mind sharp, coconut oil is definitely worth considering. You brush, you floss, but have you heard of oil pulling? This ancient practice involves swishing oil around in your mouth, and coconut oil is a popular choice. Oil pulling with coconut oil is thought to improve oral hygiene by removing bacteria and promoting gum health. The lauric acid in coconut oil exhibits antimicrobial properties that can help reduce the harmful bacteria in your mouth that contribute to plaque, gingivitis, and bad breath. Give oil pulling a try. It's a simple, natural, and cost-effective way to enhance your oral care routine. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many health problems. Coconut oil possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help combat inflammation throughout your body. By reducing inflammation, coconut oil may help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions like arthritis, improve joint health, and protect against chronic diseases. Are you ready to add a spoonful of coconut oil to your daily routine? From boosting your energy and supporting weight loss to enhancing your skin and strengthening your immune system, the benefits of coconut oil are truly remarkable. Whether you add it to your smoothies, use it in cooking, or incorporate it into your skincare routine, there are countless ways to enjoy the incredible benefits of this versatile superfood. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, USA!